Yateks Q series borescope is a new product with all-around upgrade. Now let me take you into the world of core technology behind the Q series. 5.5-inch OLED touchscreen. You can use it to inspect subtle defects even under the sunlight. Adjustable screen brightness. Allow you to get the most excellent view in different environments. Replaceable probes. One main body, compatible to several probes with different diameter, length, and cameras to meet different on-site applications. Use a simple tool to unlock the screws, detach, replace, and combine. Replaceable cameras. Double screw, reliable, and durable. While compatible, easy to replace the camera tip. Unique 3-joystick design. Move the main joystick. The probe is very flexible, articulate for 360-degree. Move the 2 mini joysticks. You can quickly control the most frequently used functions, such as LED brightness, image zooming, and image rotation, etc. Intelligent user interface. Easy to operate it, supporting you to do easy annotation, draw circles, arrows, add texts on saved photos, and you can move it to any positions, then save it. Dual light compensation function. White light and UV light. Easy to switch them from different light compensation and guide in dark and complicated applications. Q series is now at new product promotion stage. Contact us to get the best price for a demo unit for testing and evaluating.